Have you heard the saying, there is no such thing as an affordable lawyer? During the purchase of your home, you will need the lawyer services many times. Our certified agents will provide you a totally free of cost legal plan which will provide all the real estate legal help you need anytime and anywhere. As our VIP buyer, you will be connected with an established provider law firm who can provide assistance with a variety of real estate situations, totally free of cost during the transaction and for up to 12 months after the purchase. If you need more information on this topic or want to interview one of our certified agents to help you with your home buying process, please email, call, or text me directly. We look forward to be in business with you.